Hey guys and girls, welcome to another video. I'm back in the office. It's a couple of days before New Year's Eve, and I'm just getting some stuff done, some final stuff that I need to knock out before 2020 is completely done and dusted out the door. I don't know about you guys, but this year has been the strangest year I've ever experienced. It's one that I'm going to be not looking back on at all, and super excited for 2021 to be in front of us. Now, this is a really, really exciting one because I'm going to be sharing with you my exact strategy that I use to make profits in cryptocurrency. So this video is going to be about how to turn $10,000 into $1 million by making a bunch of little bets. So this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and you should be seeking independent advice before making any kind of cryptocurrency investment. Risking money for short-term gain is and can be very, very problematic. So make sure you have good advice on that front. $10,000 into $1 million. It might seem like a massive, massive stretch, but it is more than possible. I've seen it happen time and time again. I've seen clients of mine turn $10,000 into huge amounts of money, into $100,000, $500,000, $1 million. I've seen people spend $1,000 and it turn into $100,000. And that is not uncommon in a bull market when a rising tide raises all ships. So we are in the bull market. It is confirmed. We're at the $27,000, $28,000 mark. We keep fluctuating between there right now. And we are in a position, or I should say you are in a position to really take advantage of this if you knuckle down, follow a strategy that works, and make a bunch of little bets. I'm going to be jumping into the computer in just a second and sharing with you the exact strategy that I'm using myself to turn $10,000 into $1 million in this bull run. Okay, let's jump right in. How to turn $10,000 into $1 million in 12 months or less. Now, saying that, just saying out loud, seems completely crazy, like really, really crazy. And if you'd come to me, 4 or 5 years ago and said, "Hey, Mitch, if you give me 10 grand, there's a very high potential for it to turn into $1 million in less than 12 months," I would have called you absolutely nuts and not believed a single word you would say after that. But I've been around the crypto space now since 2013, and in that time I've seen things like the Ethereum launch, which Ethereum currently is $750 and I first bought Ethereum when it was under $1, which is just incredible to think about. $750 from $1. It's gone up that many times. So it is possible. There's also a lot of coins in this marketplace. There's over 7,000. So picking the right ones is also a bit of a challenge. So before we fully jump right in, I just want to ask you, what would you do with $1 million? Would you buy a new car? Would you go on a holiday with your family? Would you get a new family? Just joking. Or would you get a new wife? There was a joke that I saw, or a meme I saw on the internet that said the kind of money and the kind of moves that BTC is making right now, it's wife changing, completely wife changing money. So that's where that comes from. So as an example, there's a coin that I was speculating on that I first found in 2017. And let me actually just change this real quick because it's supposed to say 2019 because it's been 12 months. So I'll just change that. As an example, putting $10,000 or a $10,000 bet, I should say, on Lend in 2019 would be worth $2.88 million just 18 months later. So this is a real life example. Lend has gone up 280 times in under 18 months. So it was August, let me just look here in my notes, August 18, Lend's all-time low, which was 0.003 of a cent. So 0.003. So 1 cent would buy you 3 Lend at that point. And the 19th of December, which is just over 2 weeks ago, it was at 95 cents. So it's gone up 280 times in just under 18 months, which is absolutely crazy. But the one thing that I will say is Lend is not the only one. There is multiple coins doing this every single day. In yesterday's video, or was it the day before's video, I shared with you another coin that we shared with our subscribers, which was Reef Coin, which did I think a 19x or a 20x in just over a week, which is, again, crazy money. You put $1,000 in that, and it's worth $19,000. Those of you who are asking, why do you have so many different positions? And it's a great question. This is why I make lots and lots of little bets, and I'm completely emotionless about them because I've spent time day trading cryptocurrencies. I've spent time doing swing trades. I've also spent time doing arbitrage. And what I've found for the average person, learning how to trade or learning how to do arbitrage or learning how to swing trade is just not in 99% of people's psychology. The ability to be completely emotionless and follow your trading rules all the time is not in 99% of people's vocabulary. So I've looked at the way to either teach people how to become traders, and it didn't do very well because there's certain people who want to become traders that are passionate, that learn, and that follow my ways. And then there's people that just don't have it in them, which is totally fine. And the people that don't have it in them, this is the strategy for them. It's making lots of little bets and coming back later on in time and looking at those bets and then making a decision to sell. So the next question that I found people asked is, how do you find these coins? Now, there's a few different ways you can do this. You can go and watch YouTube videos like this, but generally, people who are promoting YouTube videos like this are either trying to get you to buy, or lots of people to buy the coin so it goes up so that it can dump their bags. They don't generally follow set analysis or set indicators to look at these different coins. They're just kind of promoting a coin when it goes up, selling their bags, and the people that have promoted it to are the ones that they're essentially extracting the profit from. So you can go that way. You can go and spend a bunch of time, do your own research, and learn and analyze, 1,000+ coins, which kind of happens every quarter. There's 1,000+ new coins that come out. Or you can go and leverage someone like myself and my team and leverage the analysis that we do every single month. And that's probably the easiest way to do it, but it's going to cost you some money. And that essentially gives you the right information to make informed decisions. Now, not all bits of analysis that is put in front of our clients has been taken by our clients. Our clients go and do their own analysis on top of that, and not all positions are right for everybody. But the point of the matter, the fact of the matter is that information has been created and that leverage is there so that you can go and leverage myself and my team's time. The second thing is having the right people in your corner and keeping your mindset clear. So having someone to bounce ideas off, bounce questions off, and to make sure that you're in a good mindset when you're making these bets and not acting emotionally. And then finally, having the right support in your corner to keep your emotions low. This is a market that is so fluid, so moving, compared to other traditional investment markets, that it's very easy to get caught up in your emotions. Like in creating this video, which I've been doing for about 7 minutes now, BTC's gone up to 29.3 and then back down to 28.9 and then up and down in between. So it's super, super important to keep your emotions low and have the right support team with you. So this leads me to an offer. I would love to work with you in 2021 to help you make 2021 the best year ever. I've opened up a few slots where I'm going to do consultations, crypto consultations with a handful of people. I think I've got 3 at the moment available. And I'm going to be, talking to you for half an hour to an hour and figuring out if you're ready or positioned right to really take advantage of 2021. So I would love to work with you. I'd love to have a chat with you on the phone and see how myself and my team can help you move forward in 2021. And remember, it's as easy as making lots of little bets. If you get anything out of this video, if you take any bit of information out of this video, I want you to take that all you have to do is spend a little bit of time making lots of little bets and come back in a year's time and have a look and see what they've created. Hopefully some of those little bets, and what I mean is $100 here, $50 there, lots of little bets, they can turn into life-changing money, which I've never seen before. How often is it that you can spend $50 or $100 and potentially make millions and millions of dollars? It's very, very uncommon. So remember, it's as easy as making lots of little bets and following some solid analysis and having the right support team. And then forget about those coins and come back in 12, 24 months time. It's super easy. It's very, very simple. It's not complicated. So where to from here? There's a link underneath this video where there's spots available for you to book and have a chat with me in a couple of days' time. Let's jump on the phone together. At the very least, you're going to learn something from me or my team. And at the very most, you're going to be working with me directly in 2021. So I hope you've got massive value from this video. Remember to like, subscribe, and share if you've got value from it. And leave me a comment below. And for those of you who are booking a spot to chat with me in 2021, to kick off 2021, to make 2021 the best year ever, I really look forward to speaking to you. And I really look forward to sharing your testimonials. Okay, so that's it. It's not overly complicated. It's not super, super detailed. It is a simple step-by-step process where you are risking money for potential future gain, and you don't have to go and make a million trades. Although if that's what you want to do, if that's your MO and you want to learn trading and do that sort of thing, that's okay too. I've got a lot of friends that trade every single day. They use bots, they use algos, and make tens of millions of dollars a year. And that's okay. That's if you want to do that. But the majority of people, they don't have the time to stare at the stats, or charts I should say, the patience to constantly look at the charts and figure stuff out, and 3, the emotional intelligence to be able to sit there and not react to a market that literally goes like this every single second of every single day, up and down and up and down. So again, very, very simple strategy. It is one that has been proven time and time again. My clients are proof of this, and just follow it, just do it. And let me know what kind of results you get in the next 12, 24, 36 months. I'd love to hear from you. As always, I've really enjoyed making this video for you. At the moment, my kids have been keeping me up very late at night, so I'm super, super tired. But I am here for you guys, and I'm super pumped for what 2021 has in store for us. If you could do me a favor and just hit subscribe on this video, leave a comment below and hit the like button. It really helps get the channel out there and get it into other people's hands. If you have any questions for me, shoot me a message on my socials, join the Facebook groups, jump into one of the exchanges which is listed below where you can get some free crypto, whether it be Amber or Crypto.com. And then finally, borrow against your cryptocurrency. If you want more money to purchase cryptocurrency, or maybe buy yourself a gift, or pay off some debt, use BlockFi. It's a fantastic platform. I've been sharing about it with you guys for over a month now. There's a number of people that have joined and claimed the $250 in free BTC. There's actually another promotion that they're doing in 2021 in January, which I'll be sharing a little bit more about that as well. But yeah, if you are using the platform, you love it, leave me a comment below. Let me know how easy it is. And that's it from me. I'll see you in tomorrow's video.